Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed, playing content, where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So, it's laundry day. I have like my bag of laundry here, and I'm just waiting for the boyfriend to come and show up with the rest of the laundry. But I just got done from going to Walmart, our like little bi-monthly trip, and I went to the garden center and what? They had, I knew they were coming, but like, I didn't think like my area was going to get them. My area gets everything really late, but, we have some Philodendron Pink Princess for, what was it, $18.98 or like the $20 Band-Aid pots. We had those. We had, of course, the $20 Squamiferum right after I buy a $50 one. Of course, but it's okay. They had the Begonia Maculata, the Raven ZZ, they had the Global Green Pothos. I don't know why that took, like I stuttered on that one. Yeah, they also had like a little mini Coraline, which is kind of cool. I like the Coralines. I don't know if they grow well indoors. Like, I would like to have one of those and try to grow that out as like a little mini tree. Yeah. And they also, talking about like little Dracenas, they had the big cream and green Dracena that I'm like in love with. It'll be at the end of the clip that I'm gonna add to this little intro. But yeah, so yeah, Pink Long Island. If you guys are looking for a Philodendron Pink Princess, they are low variegated, but I mean, a burgundy Philodendron is still pretty. They're very nice and bright pink and maroon red. So yeah, show up. Squamiferums. I really, really want that Dracena with the cream, but it's $50. It's very large. You know, I need a local plant friend who will split that plant with me. We'll go halves on it and we'll just split it. You can have 2 pieces. I think it came with 3 pieces, the one that I was looking at. So you can have 2, I'll have 1, whatever. Or vice versa. Or 3 people. If we could get 3 people to go 3 ways on that plant, it would be perfect. Because I really want that Dracena. It's just so big. Like, I'm not going to have room for it. So yeah. I will now insert the little clip of the plants that I saw, and yeah, until next time, relax, plants, and peace out.